We'll be going to the U.S. Supreme Court. We want all voting to stop.
Legal experts say it just doesn't work that way.
If it's a matter of federal law, the U.S. Supreme Court will be the ultimate arbiter of the meaning of federal law if it chooses to involve itself.
The operative word is if. The U.S. Supreme Court uses its own discretion on which cases to take up. In fact, there is no single entity that will determine who the winner is. The Constitution guides the process.
There needs to be deference to the law as written by the state legislature, because the federal Constitution says that the state that elections are to be held, in a manner prescribed by the legislature of the states.
2020, reminiscent of the 2000 battle of Gore v. Bush, but this time multiple battleground states are involved and their legislatures and governors are from different parties. So what if a state can't agree on a winner?
What ultimately happens if the state cannot work it out is that it goes to Congress for ultimate resolution.
President Trump's term expires January 20th. If a winner isn't decided by that date,
the Speaker of the House becomes the acting president of the United States.
The Electoral College electors convene on December 14th to officially cast those electoral votes, and then Congress convenes January 6th to count them and officially declare a winner. Whether all of that happens that way still remains to be seen. Reporting live this evening, Amy Cavino, WMUR News 9.